Hi, I hope beautiful things happen to you. When they do, please believe the value of them. Because, my darling, you are. Say, trust, wait. Love you.